Hi, welcome to my course. I'll guide you how to follow this course. This course is covering around 45 hours. Then it means you have to spend some extra time for learning this course. So I suggest you to complete this course in a timely manner. So you spend at least 2 hours per day so that you can finish it within a month. Then while studying, you can watch Whiteboard session, and whatever is discussed in Whiteboard session, you can prepare notes if you want. And every program is discussed on Whiteboard. So you can pause the video, or at the end of the video, you can start coding the program by yourself. So everything is discussed on Whiteboard, so you can do it by yourself. If at all you face any difficulty, then you can watch a coding video. Coding videos are also available, and along with the coding video, a PDF of a program is also available. You can verify your program with that PDF content. And the most important thing is analysis. There is a video on time and the space complexity in the beginning of the course, so you must watch that video. I have done analysis on each and every data structure and operations on the data structure. Now, while watching a video on analysis, I suggest you practice it by yourself. And if you are doing the analysis by yourself once, that will help you remembering the analysis and applying them in the right place. And one more thing, asymptotic notations are used for representing the time complexities like big O, omega and theta. These are simple terms, these are nothing. Without that also you can represent the time complexity. These terms mostly confuse the students. So even I have covered about asymptotic notations. You can watch the video available for asymptotic notations. I have discussed when to use big O, omega and theta. But during my discussions, I have not used these notations to make topics simple and easy for you to understand. At any place, if you find any difficulty, you can leave a message to me. You can go to question and answer section, and there you can leave a message. And if you have any trouble in coding, you can send me a screenshot so that I can quickly reply you. So I am there with you always. Whenever you face any difficulty, you can put a question in a question answer section. And that's all. You can start learning data structure course. You will enjoy the course.